right, coming out of camp and onto the main road.
Don't not show that fucking road.
Well, I didn't. All you see is the road right now. Edibles that are late spring,
Early summer. Then you got thimbleberries coming in. Those are cool.
Dog cannot eat a lot of thimbleberries.
We got
Black raspberries.
black raspberry. Oh my god. Another black raspberry. Let's go on the other side. What do we have?
Oh, remember, hold on. Remember when I was saying that you can cut the ferns and you can eat them? Let me scan this and show you all the ferns that have been cut.
And then they grow.
And they continue to grow. But see how
But you want to get them.
the heads were cut?
Hold on. See how this is like, you want to get them, that's how big you want to get them. And then you cut them about right there. And that's how long you eat, just like asparagus. But here's a better one. You can tell just by the pliedness of them. That'd be a perfect specimen. See how it's like fuzzy, and that one's not? It's thicker. You can do that, and that's a good one.
But my point is, do you see how many are cut? Better yet, let me look up here.
They eat them. Humans get them. Asians love them. They say they cut them up in garlic butter. Tastes like asparagus.
But yeah, tons are taken. So,
you can live on them, they'll just give you the shit.
well, they'll definitely give you the shit if you're not used to it.
Wild strawberries. Tangle Delta, get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Everything's coming into bloom. Crazy, huh? And there's another thing, another edible. Guess it. Figure it out. Alder, you can make syrup out of this shit. Honey's got another video coming out. She's going to show you how to make syrup. Oh, what's this? Oh, wild rose. Looks like a berry plant, but it's actually wild rose. Mixed in with blackberries. Num. See, these fuckers earlier. And then here, look. More wild strawberries. See? There. Oh my god!
We're gonna starve!
Berries everywhere. Then you got Oregon grapes down below. This is stuff you can eat some of it now, but comes another month or two, there's gonna be buku berries.
But what if I can't wait until then? Well, see, the point is knowing what you have in your area and when it's available.
Right now, you'd be a vegan until you come. It depends. Are you camping?
Or are you surviving?
If you're surviving, you're eating some of that until you check either snares or, I got me some camp meat. But camping, it's like, hey, I'm keeping an eye on where the hell this shit's at.
Right, and the point is once berries come in, you can dry them out, and then you can add them to stuff all the time throughout winter.
More wild roses. When you take the hip part after it blooms.
This little thing?
Yeah, it turns into
this little thing.
Once it blooms, then it turns into the seed head. You take that and make tea out of it, and then you can have vitamin C. Huckleberries.
Huckleberries
Yeah, this whole back
everywhere.
area here is nothing but fucking berries. Huckleberries.
Everywhere.
Black raspberries. Blackberries. Huckleberries. Strawberries. And then you got clover down here too. All this shit you can eat, or you can fucking make a tea out of. More ferns. Yeah, just pretend you're a vegan for a bit. You're getting with the hipsters. See? Wild. Well, that right there, you can tell the green, how it's like a off green. That's black raspberry. Those are bomb.
Maybe you shouldn't be telling that one.
Huh?
Maybe you shouldn't be telling that one.
No, they're everywhere. You look. There's everything. And then these have that light green shit. That's what you want to pick for fucking. You can make tea out of it. More vitamin C, or fucking make syrup. And that's a video she can be showing you how to make too. And that stuff's bomb.
And it's
That's
not
like 30
bad.
bucks a little fucking thing. I've been just
Less than 3 ounces is 30 bucks.
Well, I've dirty ate and buy about $100 worth of pancakes. You have maple trees. Mulberries.
And then much larger maples you can tap in winter, but you have to research that.
Yeah.
I don't see any large maples around here. Large enough to show you.
See? More berry bushes. More huckleberry bushes.
I say huckleberries grow in the weirdest spots. Like, they'll grow in logs.
Yeah.
They'll grow in this crap up in here, which there you wouldn't think
More
is
black
dirt.
raspberry. See how it's turning purple? That's how you can tell it's a fucking black raspberry.
And they're not thorny.
Yeah, they are, but
they're not.
It's like raspberry.
Yeah, they're not thorny. If you look, they're not thorny like a.
Blackberry.
There's some like
It's
a
raspberry.
blackberry.
That's why they call them black raspberries. And that's why they're so fucking red.
Oh, they're like a cross between a blackberry and a raspberry.
That's
they're
the
really
color
good.
of the rose. See? It'll come off that color, white or pink. Any kind of rose you can eat it, but these are just wild roses. They smell really good for being small. It's kind of like if you're a micro deck and just imagine how what you could do with it. Not the size that counts, it's the motion in the ocean. See? More bone roses. More fucking ferns. I mean, you can eat the bigger stuff, but it tastes like shit. That's most of your edibles taste like shit. But you'll see where animals will be coming through. Like, oh yeah, buddy. And see how thick this shit is? Isn't that fun?
So you can see where people quit picking, probably because it grew faster than when they got up here.
Oh yeah, you don't rape the area. You grab some, and you let
Right.
other stuff grow, and then you fucking. But what they go after when they pop,
Yeah.
and you know, and it's like you get them while you can.
And I've seen people rape the area, and it pisses me off.
That's why people go can shooting. And over here, these things are edible too. It's like a dandelion. See, more plantain. I'm a vegan. No, you're not. I'm a vegan.
Or if you're somebody we know, they're wish flowers.
What my daughter call herself?
I called her a Sumtarian.
Yeah, sometimes
Because sometimes she was a vegan and sometimes she
needed
wasn't.
a steak. I said no. Sometimes you need a dick.
Because
damn.
I like being a vegetarian, but I like my steak once in a while too. And I'm like, you're a Sumtarian.
Yeah, like the plantain. You know, you can use that to help blood stop, fucking the
Heal
diuretic.
wounds.
Yeah, diuretic, that kind of weird shit.
Help, heal wounds,
Over here.
rashes, all kinds of stuff.
And you got comfrey. You know, it's everywhere. Some of it's comfrey and some of it's fucking, oh, what the fuck's that shit called?
Mullen?
Well, mullein too, and then you got fucking, oh, what's that other shit that'll kill you?
Foxglove.
Yeah, that's why it's best to wait till it gets really tall.
Yeah,
Really
but
big.
if you come across comfrey is the stronger cousin
That's it,
to
right here.
plantain.
What do you got?
Look how wild, is it wild lettuce?
I ain't gonna swear because that fucking will help my hand.
It's called wild lettuce. Look it up, research it.
Look, more fucking goddamn. There's too many black raspberries. I'm mad. Oh my god, more strawberries. Oh, I'm gonna starve. Oh, and then you also, with your fucking pine trees, that inner thin, like paper, tan stuff underneath the bark, like, it's weird. You can eat that too.
Find a
All you gotta
pine
do it
tree
is
here.
meat substitute.
So get in, here's a pine tree.
Yeah, you know, in your bark, and you got that brown paper thing underneath the bark that's up against the tree. It's like what they call the membrane. That yeah, you gotta boil it.
Oh, it's kind of like the sinew off of a meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
You gotta boil it so I can make
sheathing.
it soft, but it's a meat protein.
That's.
Just look at it. It's tofu.
Hey, if it, you know what? If it helps you
See?
survive.
More fucking strawberries. More fucking strawberries. Shit. Oh my god, somebody must have fucking came by and shit out of. Oh my god, look. There you go.
Strawberries as far as I
Strawberry
can see.
feels forever.
Wow.
Yeah, those ain't wild strawberries. Those are somebody came along and was eating strawberries and shit. I guarantee somebody probably shit over here when they were logging this area. That's all it takes is somebody going, oh god, those are grubbing strawberries. Damn, look what happens.
Or throwing
and
them out. Or
Another
throwing out
thing
bad
too,
ones.
if you got pumpkins, throw them out here and this kind of shit, it'll grow and the deer will fucking love it and it'll take off and all it takes is one. Yeah, strawberry fields forever. And it keeps going on and on and on. Up and down the road.
I think dog's having fun.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
And this farm right here is what you want to use. You get stinging nettles, turn it upside down, that brown shit, rub it on your fucking stinging nettles. It helps with get rid of the sting. Oh my god! Oh my god! Raspberry. No, huckleberries. Oh shit, I'm gonna starve.
Oh, see, that's what I was talking about. Look, it's in a stump. This huckleberry bush, let me back up, is in a damn stump.
And then you got all the different grasses.
Look at those.
You can eat this shit too. Dog loves eating it. See, and there's the thimbleberries. First comes the thimbleberries, then the fucking strawberries,
Then the blackberries.
then the blackberries,
Then the black raspberries.
Black raspberries, but right now everything's so fucked up. So there's like, oh, I'm gonna get a smorgasbord all at one time. Yummy, just like this inside shit. You can eat that crap, peel it off, you know. That inner stuff, you can eat it. Just throw it in a fucking pot and boil it and make stew. Yes, I smoke. It's not marijuana, that wacky tobacco. I'm allergic to it now. And it sucks, but I do like my edibles.
He was allergic to it.
Yeah, you can get allergic to fucking goddamn weed. Right? More fucking shit. You know what I'm saying? That's a thistle, though. Thistle's another thing you can use. Most of them you want to use when they're small. Which is nice. More fucking, oh my god, these are fucking bombs with thimbleberries. And then you thimbleberries, and then you got salmon berries that almost look about the same. One's fucking orange and one's red. The orange ones, they look like a little clump of fucking salmon eggs.
Mm-hmm.
The other ones almost look like a raspberry, but they're not as sweet. They're like a mellow fucking thing. And then you got
Dog
cleavers.
loves
Oh my
thimbleberries.
God. Cleavers. This little thing. Cleavers. You get a bunch of them, and you throw it at your friends because it sticks. See? That's how you can tell they're cleavers. Spring tonic. Everything, when you boil it, kind of tastes like asparagus or fucking green beans.
I don't know if I can get it.
But, see? It's everywhere.
I hate fucking cleavers.
It's everywhere. It will clean you out. But if you have to do this survival crap, take it slow with the greens, because it will fucking give you the shits. But you'll feel so much better. It's like, woo, took a multivitamin. Yeah. Witch's hair. This kind of stuff. Don't show me. Don't show me. That's your fire starter. And if it's clean, you know, put it in water, rinse it out really good. Use it for your fucking wounds. You know? There's all kinds of shit. Also works good for shit wipe. Just make sure you know spiders in it.
I am not wiping my ass with that.
No, the thing with that stuff is one wipe. You can't fold it and make two wipes. It's one wipe, throw it away, grab some more. One wipe until you're done.
Nope.
And if you really feel like getting into it, get a little moisten or something.
No.
And then it gets all the little dingleberries off.
No.
We're talking survival.
Oh,
look,
better make sure I got paper.
Oh my God. Here we go. There's the salmon berry.
Oh.
See how big it'll get? Thimbleberries
Oh,
are
it'll get bigger
small.
than that.
Yeah. That's the beginning of a fucking salmon berry. And it'll get a little bit bigger. They get about the size of your thumb, depending on how much rain you get. Thimbleberries is what they call thimbles. They look, once you take it off, it looks like
a thimble.
A little thimble. You could put it on a hat on a fucking Lego man like we did. Remember? I'm like, oh look, he's got a hat. What else we got? Well, we're about 50 yards up the road, and yeah, I think I'm gonna starve to death. Some of these YouTubers that go, we'll starve in the woods.
Look at all these ferns.
Yeah. Well, everything in here is edible. Damn near. Except for I wouldn't eat the devil's club. That shit'll fucking fuck you up. Like I said, it will give you the shits if you're not used to it. Oh my God, what's this? What's this? What's this over here? What's this over here? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I ain't telling you what that is. Yes. What could it be?
Well, if you know, comment below.
Yeah. And then we'll show you something we found too. It was like, oh my God, oyster mushrooms. 2 fucking logs of probably about 20 pounds worth of mushrooms. I ain't telling you where that shit's at though. But we'll show you what they look like.
We'll get pictures.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to head back.
Peace out.
Go play and learn your area.